Hello everyone, my name is Olivia, the Overseas Sales Department Manager of 𝐬𝐚𝐫𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸 Technology Company Limited. This is my 5th year working in the company. I really love this job, being able to deal with the customers from all over the world, making me feel it is very meaningful. Today, I mainly want to introduce the main products of our Meishen. We specialize in the product of the magnesium oxide, magnesium carbonate, and magnesium hydroxide, magnesium sulfate. And our products fully comply with the international standards such as EP, USP, and FCC. Moreover, we have a number of professional qualifications such as GMP certification, FSC, kosher, halal, ISO, and so on. So you don't have to worry about our products quality at all. In addition, we also support free sample of our products, allowing you to experience our quality personally. I personally like traveling very much and have to many countries such as the United States, Italy, Spain, Singapore, and so on. Every trip brings me a lot of gains. Thank you for your watching. You are welcome to communicate with me at any time. Looking forward to cooperating with you.